On a quiet June afternoon in Georgia, the sky lit up with a blazing fireball, and moments later, a rock from beyond our planet's birth slammed into someone's home. This was no ordinary meteorite. Scientists soon discovered it was older than Earth itself, 20 million years older. At the University of Georgia, researchers examined just 23 grams of fragments from the space rock that tore through a McDonough roof on June 26. Using powerful optical and electron microscopes, they unlocked its staggering age, over 4.56 billion years. Analysis showed it came from a low-metal ordinary chondrite, part of a vast asteroid family in the main belt between Mars and Jupiter. These are remnants from the solar system's chaotic beginnings, long before Earth solidified into a planet. Experts believe this fragment's journey began around 470 million years ago, when a much larger asteroid broke apart, and tiny survivors of that collision still wander the solar system today. On that June day, this interstellar traveler plunged into our atmosphere at cosmic velocity, faster than the speed of sound, triggering sonic booms heard for miles. NASA's Meteoroid Environment Office tracked its fiery path, from the skies above Wake Forest, Georgia, until it exploded 27 miles up with the force of 20 tons of TNT. One small fragment, about the size of a cherry tomato, blasted through a McDonough man's roof, pulverizing part of his floor into dust. He told scientists he's still finding space dust in his living room. Named the McDonough Meteorite, it's only the 27th ever recovered in Georgia, and just the 6th witnessed fall in the state's history. Now preserved at the University of Georgia, this ancient visitor will be studied in detail, not just to learn about our solar system's birth, but to prepare for something far more urgent, because one day a much larger object could be heading our way, and the knowledge from tiny space rocks like this one might help us stop it. From before the dawn of our world to a rooftop in Georgia, the McDonough Meteorite is a reminder that our planet is never truly alone in space. For more incredible science stories from around the world, subscribe to LGN News.